Hi guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. Today I'm inspired by the beautiful creations we are making with our Crafting Around the World project for the March 2020. That is using the beautiful, so gorgeous, You Are So Loved stamp set that may have been something you missed in the main catalog for Stampin' Up. It also includes our Noble Peacock, rhinestones, and the gorgeous Bird Ballad designer note cards. This suite is coming your way. Make sure you check it out on my blog at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. But today we're creating a fun fold, like a really easy, wow, fun fold. It's coming your way. Are you ready? Makes me so happy. This is using the beautiful Perennial Essence Designer Series paper, also included in our March collection. And when you open it up, wow, right? Like, it's so gorgeous right here. And you open it up and you have a beautiful little note. So join me right now as we create this stunning but simple handmade card waiting for you that's sure to add some sparkle and beauty to your life. Check it out. So using this beautiful piece of 12 by 12 cardstock, I'm actually going to trim off initially because I don't like wasting cardstock. We're going to take this to 5 1/4. That's 5 1/4 using our paper trimmer. And I'm going to take it to 5 1/4, just like so, and trim it. And we'll do a second one as well, because why not? Now, if you comment on my blog on this thread, I will pick a winner to receive one of these cards in the mail from me. Our paper, simply scored, is nice, deep grooves, absolutely wonderful. We're going to place it just like this, and we're going to go in with our stylus, and I like to use the little bit thicker edged ball on there. And it's also a thinner paper. It's not cardstock, so you want to be careful when you score it not to damage that. Now we're going to go over at 4 inches and 8 inches. And I'll end up making 2 of these, but I'm just going to set one aside for right now. I am fundamentally I have an ability to lose anything in 2.2 seconds. So I immediately put the stylus holder back every single time. I have backups too. Don't judge the backups. There you go. So this is where our card will finish. Now we want to make sure when we look at this card on how it's going to end. So the top of it, do we want the card to open like so, or do I want it like so? So you have to be careful when you're opening it, and you also look at the texture and pattern on the inside of the card. So I'm going to place this just like this, using my bone folder at a 45-degree angle, not a lot of pressure. I'm going to impress the edge just like this. I actually like to impress it from behind. So if it leaves a little shiny mark from the pressure, it makes it go away. Just a little zoomy. Then we're going to grab our paper trimmer again. This is one of those super sweet, simple cards, you guys. They make me so deaky happy. So I want the card to open just like this. I want to see the flowers open just like that. So what I'm going to do is take this piece and I'm going to cut it catty corner. When I told you this is a simple but wow card, that's exactly what it is. Simple and wow. Now, whenever I move one edge, I have to make sure the other didn't move out of that placement. And then we're going to trim it. Boom. I will not lose this. I will put it on another card because, hello, it is gorgeous. Don't waste that. Then we're going to take our tear tape right here and go to the end. It's designed to be torn, so just have freedom with that, y'all. And we're going to go along one hole's edge just like this. I want to make sure that I don't go off of the card. I have a tendency to do that. And then I'm going to trim it so it matches with the edge of the cardstock. Now, this is a little trick, a little must know. Adhesive grabs on, but sometimes it leaves a little gap in between. It needs a little bit of impression and pressure to grow and have a better grip, much like we do, right? We always need a little push sometimes. So I use the edge of my bone folder and I just do one little swoop right across there. Then I'm going to remove this piece and toss it away. Then we're just going to take this like so, line up the edge and rub it. Give it a good rub. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's also super dark here, but you put it on the balmy blue and it brightens up. But when you open it, it's like sunshine. It's kind of like life. When life is hard and dark, you want to have it open up to a little bit of sunshine. Now I'm going to use my snail, stands for simple, neat, affordable, inline adhesive. And I'm going to do the full back here. I'm going to apply a little extra of this permanent adhesive because I will mail this, and it's an interactive card. So anytime a card is interactive, you want to make sure that you are giving it the opportunity to, ooh, don't do that. I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to use the side of the bone folder just to impress it. Same reason with this adhesive as the last. So here you go. Opens up right here. Absolutely gorgeous. But wait, that's not all. I like those lines, don't you? My mom watched QVC when I was growing up nonstop. So I'm a QVC, like I knew I could quote the people on there. We're going to take a piece of Whisper white cardstock, and we're going to go to 3 3/4, like so. And we're going to take it to 5 inches. Now this is designed to go right inside of that pocket. Now that's actually ideal if you are giving a gift card, or actually, ooh, I'm going to trim it a little bit more even. Look at that. Let's take that to 4 3/4. I like to try that out before I stamp or do anything to the inside of the card. Now this is ideal if you were attaching a gift card. Gift card's the same size as my business card. You tuck it in, you can put a little glue dot, and when somebody pulls it out, they have a great gift card holder. Now, don't you have a friend that could use a cup of coffee or tea today? Go ahead, send them a date. I like to do so. Now we're going to embrace one of my favorite stamp sets in the main catalog tied to our Crafting Around the World. It's You Are So Loved. You are so loved. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? We need to feel loved in this world. This is a great way to do so. Now, I'm going to use my Simply Chamois, and I'm going to make sure I cleaned off this flower heart, just like so, and the greeting, You Are So Loved. I like to make sure I have a clean palette to craft with. And then I'm going to stamp the balmy blue. I think I should have just grabbed a grid paper, but I'm going to take this beautiful piece right here, and I'm going to take the You Are So Loved and this heart, and I'm going to stamp it. Now, when you look at the colors in your designer series paper, it tells you exactly what to use. So you can see here we have lots of options in color. I want a really soft color. So what I'm going to do is, but this paper doesn't have a lot of petal pink in it, but I'm going to still use the petal pink and the balmy blue. So using the petal pink ink pad, I'm going to pat carefully, never dig it in. Touch it like you're kissing your grandpa and not your boyfriend. Boom. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I just love it so freaking much. Then that is item number 147108. 147108. The balmy blue is 147105. 147105, and you save 10% when you order the whole color collection in one fell swoop. And we're going to tuck in You Are So Loved right there. I adore it, but wait, there's more. I know, right? Isn't that fun to even say? I actually contemplated going and interviewing for QVC. I had an option to do that when I was modeling, and I chose not to, but I could imagine my mom would have been finally proud of me. No, joking. My mom passed away this last year, so she liked to give me a hard time. That's okay. We'll let her. She's up in heaven now, so... we're going to use my Take Your Pick tool and the Noble Peacock Rhinestone Collection. That is item number 149494. Now all of this that I've used today, except for the cardstock of the balmy blue, is included in your kit for the crafting around the world. You want this in your life, I'm just saying. Now, I really love the look of this. Let's take the green and let's just kind of nestle one in here. I just want a little zhuzh. We're gonna tuck that in. And look at that. Isn't that magical, you guys? I know, you're thanking me already. Now, I like how dark this is. We're gonna grab that peacock, gorgeous, gorgeous color there. We're gonna grab the beautiful green right here, and I tuck it into the color that matches. It gives it an accent, like it's water falling on that accent piece. And I'm gonna do a little of the pink right there, grab the purple, and place that maybe up in here. Ooh. There you go. My gummy got a little gooey. And then we're gonna grab that beautiful blue and let's pop that up in here. Super easy, so much fun. And wow, I bet you anybody receiving this card from you is going to be blown away. I hope that they are as inspired as I am in creating something so easy and fun. Each piece of designer series paper will give you 2 dynamic cards, and with most of our designer series paper coming in packages with 12 pieces of paper, that's 24 magnificent cards. So if you're doing an event, an invitation, this is perfect for an invitation, a tea, a bridal shower, a baby shower. You can grab any of our designer series papers and a great stamp set and create a dynamic card. All you'd have to do is put the details for your invitation right there. I hope that this makes you smile and inspires you. Check out our crafting around the world. Pam Jorgensen in Australia and myself, Jamie Albanese, here in the United States. You can order this kit. It comes beautifully wrapped right to your door, and you get exclusive video tutorials and PDFs to print and enjoy. I hope this inspires you to smile today. Remember, when you have a gorgeous packet of designer series paper, you have so many options to create. I hope that this makes you happy. Comment, let me know what you think. Please like, share, and pin this. And if you'd like to get the best deal in town, please consider joining the Getting Crafty family. We would love to have you. You score the best deal of all with the discount, as well as a great collection of paper for free as a bonus. Any stamp set for free you want, and this gorgeous paper cutter. Look at this, listen. But you also score the best team around, and that's the Getting Crafty family. These are my sisters of my heart, and we're all over the United States. So I hope this inspires you. Thanks for coming by. Please check it out at my blog at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. Have a great one. Bye. Hi guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so excited to bring you a beautiful, a unique handmade card that is so easy to do. It's one of those simple stamping projects that make you happy. This is inspired with the beautiful Perennial Essence Designer Series paper. That is item number 149100. 149100. This embodies the Impressionist artist era, and I love it. As a homeschool mom, I've been teaching my children the art of Van Gogh and Morisot, as well as Degas. And so I really appreciate the artists of that era. I've always liked it. It's just so pretty, isn't it? Isn't it wonderful that Stampin' Up! Embodies those gorgeous papers? You can order this as well. This is all inspired by our Crafting Around the World kit that will come to your door. It'll include that beautiful Perennial Essence Designer Series paper. You are so loved. Stamp set we'll be using today, the Royal Peacock note cards, and more. So check it out on my blog at gettingcrafty.net. The top tab, it says Crafting Around the World. Don't miss out. Now, we're going to go ahead and create with this fun fold. This is a standard card size. It's absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to create it from start to finish. So get ready. You're going to want to take notes on the measurements. It's super duper easy. Now, the beauty of this is it starts with the Balmy Blue cardstock base. That is Balmy Blue. It's this beautiful blue color right here, 146982, 146982, and it is cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And you can see that base is right here. Set that to the side. Don't lose it. I can lose it in 2.5 seconds. Now, we're going to take that gorgeous same patterned designer series paper. I just pulled it out. Do you hate that? I literally can lose that in 2.2 seconds. Looking at the wrong paper. Let's see here. Let's create one that's kind of similar, maybe a little bit darker. This is from that same gorgeous collection. This reminds me of Degas with his beautiful movement that he catches in art. That is this beautiful Impressionist era. Now, we're going to embody, and how this looks so dark on its own, but once you put it against the balmy blue, it brightens up that cardstock, which is really, really fun. You can see the full tutorial for this on my blog at gettingcrafty.net. The link is in my bio, or in this description as well. Now, using our beautiful Simply Scored tool right here, it comes pre-prepared with everything you need. So it has all the measurements at the top. It has our gorgeous stylus and these deep grooves. Now, I place these lines because my daughter helps me, and I have a couple helpers that help with our projects and classes, but it doesn't come with those lines. Somebody asked me when they got one from me, and they're like, where's the lines? I'm, well, you have to draw it. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this cardstock just like so. Now, we actually only need this at